everyone, in today's video we will see the detailed explanation of 3D printers. Let's start from the first 3D printer named as Ender 3v2. So we will see the functionalities and working of Ender 3v2. So starting from Ender 3v2, this is the whole printer of Ender 3v2 where here we have a power switch. We can on and off the printer from here. So here we having the two motors for X and Y axis, and for Z axis we having the printer at the down side, so it moves the bed from the down side. So I'll explain the display of Ender 3v2. So coming towards the display of Ender 3v2, this is the display. Here it consists the nozzle temperature. Now the current nozzle temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Then it's a bed temperature. Bed temperature can max go to 100 degrees. Now it's 29 degrees bed temperature. This is X, Y, Z coordinates. Now the printer it's at 0, 0, 0 X, Y and Z coordinates. This is the process, like how much the printer has completed the process. So coming towards the page, here we have a prepare menu. With prepare we can auto set this bed. All auto setting bed settings are here. Next we have in control, where we can control the temperature of the printer and also temperature and various steps of the printer. Here in print info we can get our files so that we can print and execute. So and in about printer we will get the version of the printer. Okay, if we have to print, we have to put the SD card here downside. Here we can see the SD card slot, so we can put the SD card at downside. Then next, here if we have to put print info, we can have the files here. So this is the whole process of Ender 3v2. As we can see, here is the filament slot, and here at the downside we can put the filament inside from the pack. So it will grow to here, it will melt. So this is the next printer named as Snapmaker 360. So this is the big size printer that we use in our lab. And this here we can see the filament, which is PLA Pro Plus, that is inserted here. It's a 3-in-1 printer. We can use for CNC cutting, CNC engraving, and also 3D printing. So this is the screen interface of Snapmaker 350. So from here start we can see any file which we want from the local. Also now local there are two files, but in USB we can see only when its USB is connected at the downer side we can see different files, but now the USB is not connected, so the local files I'll show you. Just let's click on this file. So this is the fish file. Now when we click on this file, it can tell us about the nozzle temperature, how much bed we need to hit, working speed, and how much time it will take. If we click on start, it will start printing, and it will take approx 4.25 hours for the process. So let's click on start. So when we click on start, the printer started processing. The escape time is 8 seconds. Like it will take approx 2 to 3 minutes to set all the settings, and then it will start. Before that I'll pause it because we didn't want to print it now. I'll share you some example, like I will share you at the end of the video some video examples of that. Okay, thank you. This is the Bamboo Lab printer. It's a multicolor printer. We can put here 4 filaments, so we can put multicolor and use multicolor. Now it's currently printing. You can see it has 10 times more speed than Ender 3v2, and also I will show you its screen interface. So in screen interface you can see the printing now. You can see the stop source, like a stop and start point, pause point. Then we can see the temperature, current temperature inside the bed temperature, then nozzle temperature, what is the nozzle temperature, and what is the inside temperature. Inside temperature is 41 degrees Celsius and bed temperature is 55 degrees Celsius. Nozzle temperature is 220 degrees Celsius. Now it is approx 84% done, and 30 minutes remaining to complete. There are various such settings that takes it. Taking it up, it has auto rotative system like multiple printing system. If the printing is done of some single filament, it rotates, rolls again, and take the different filament from the inside. It has four servo like mechanism to rotate it. So this is one of the fastest printers we having till now, and it works really fast and good. It has different variants like it modes, sorry, not variants, mode, like speed mode, sports mode, etc.